Hello everyone, just delay. This is Wangmo. Welcome back to my channel. Because of the COVID-19, Lhasa has been in silent management for more than 90 days from the end of summer to the early winter. During this period, we cannot go out but only stay at home. However, recently Lhasa has gradually resumed its daily life and the weather is also getting cold. We are all wearing the relatively thick clothes. Fortunately, we can also go out for a while but cannot stay out for too long. So today, let's have a look with me in my video. It's 9:30 a.m. in the morning and now I'm going for a nucleic acid test. Actually, I don't have to set an alarm clock during this period because the nucleic acid test staff will call in the morning and then I will get up and start my own day of life. After the nucleic acid test is finished, I will go to the offsite restaurant and buy a Tibetan noodles for my breakfast.
아자, 내 배도 지고. 고.
I've got my Tibetan noodles and now I will go home and eat it as my breakfast. Of course, during the silent management before, there is no business and now gradually restore the daily life so we can pack the food away. And now I'm going to go out for a little ingredients for my lunch and for my snacks and I can show you the situation outside. Let's go. Now I'm on my way to the grocery store so that I'd like to buy more extra ingredients so that when I want to cook, I can cook at home. So let's go. I got some vegetables and fruits and now I'm going to buy some snacks. And now I want to go for a walk in this park. Before I feel not exercising enough at home and now we can go out for a while so I finally can exercise outside. And look, there are also a lot of people exercising in the park. Before, this park was a great place for me to walk after dinner, but because of the COVID-19, there was no one here during the silent managed period. Now it is gradually returning to the daily life and many people are here. Okay, I just received a phone call from the express mail service and told me to go downstairs to get the delivery. And now I'm going down to get my delivery now. Recently, many express delivery companies are also gradually returning to work. I have bought a lot of things online and finally it can gradually deliver them to me. 身份证提没？有。 Now our life in Lhasa is gradually recovering from the first empty streets to the sound of traffic on the streets now. From the initial feelings of life has become tasteless to now feel that our life is slowly getting better. The whole person's mood is much better. Hopefully the good news comes soon and we will be free to go anywhere we want to go. Now that the life in Lhasa is gradually returning to normal, we also have time to go out and I believe that we will be able to work normally soon and I can also go out, bring you more outdoor videos in Tibet. Let's look forward to it together. Okay, it's time to say goodbye to everyone. See you next time. Bye. Just delay.